Okay, welcome everybody to an actual video, not just a short today. A little change of pace for me. Let's show the minifig right quick. Got the Ferrari sweater, sweatshirt, jumper, depending on where you're at. Focus on it, maybe. Yeah, there it goes. Got only one face on that one, so you don't have to just smiling, which makes sense because you've got an F40. But let's say, as far as the car goes, I think I opted for those wheels. I thought these just didn't seem right for this stop model of car. Lots of nice details in it with the headlights and the where they obscured the exhaust tips here, enclosed them, however you want to call it. Good, on the back end, they say it always goes all out on these now. Because I say now because here I've got the old Speed Champions F40, and even though I don't mind this one, this is a huge improvement. It was a single seater and it came with a race car guy. And I say they go, obviously they've gone wider and longer with the scale, different rims. I'm pretty sure, I don't think there were options on that one. It's been a while since I built this one. Obviously, they've refined this one so much more than that one. But definitely an improved evolution on there. That is supposed to be the same car. I do like the F40 logo back on the taillights here. They've even included, got the screen printing on the buttons there to make it look more authentic, if you will. But I say, I figure this one's actually, I found this one available today at Walmart.com. So you can, if you like this one, I think is more of the scale of the Lego City builds rather than the new Speed Champions that they're going with now. But I say, just far more refined, much nicer build. Definitely a fun build. I recommend it. It's I say, I don't know what else to say about it. It's a nice, cool car. And as far as starting up tomorrow, we're going to move back into the Star Wars universe. I've got the Princess Leia Bausch helmet. I picked this up last year and just never got around to building it, so I'm enjoying these smaller scale builds. I think I'm going to stick with those for a little while. We'll get back to the bigger ones when I burned up all my excess sets right now. But we'll get going on that tomorrow. In the meantime, run out and pick you up an F40. This was a really fun build. See you tomorrow.